Hello everyone, welcome to our live stream. Today we will give you a full introduction to the strength of Yushu hair products. We are Luyang Yushu Hair Extension Trading Company, Limited, located in Henan, the largest hair products base in China. The company was founded by Chai Qingsong, a senior hair expert with many years of experience in the hair industry. We have been focusing on the production and processing of hair extensions, and we only use virgin human hair, original braid hair, as raw material to control product quality from the source. Welcome to our live stream. If you are interested, you can consult us in the comment section below. Feel free to leave any questions about hair extensions. Since our establishment, we have always adhered to the concept of hair quality first. We refuse low-quality raw materials and carefully produce every product. Our hair extensions are soft, smooth, easy to comb, and have good durability. They are quite different from most hair extensions on the market, so they are well received and favored by many professional hair extension stylists. Please follow us for more valuable content about hair extensions and product details. We always put hair quality in the first place, focus on making reliable and high-quality hair extensions instead of pursuing unnecessary publicity. We enable every customer to experience the texture of virgin human hair and help hair extension professionals work with confidence and ease. Welcome to our live stream. If you are interested, you can consult us at any time and share your opinions about hair extensions with us. Next, we will show you all kinds of hair extension products of our company and introduce the unique advantages of each product. Today we are introducing our regular tape-in hair to you. We focus on quality hair extensions to meet your diverse needs for hair extension. As a professional manufacturer, our regular tape-in hair comes in many styles. The regular types include different patterns such as 4-flower and 6-flower styles. We also provide many special tape-in hair products, including invisible tape-in hair, injected tape-in hair, double-line tape-in hair, double-deck tape-in hair, raw invisible tape-in hair, skin-weft hand-tied tape-in hair, PU tape-in hair, injected PU tape-in hair, and other types. With rich styles, they can fit different hair extension scenes and requirements. Welcome to our live stream. If you are interested, you can consult us in the comment section below. Feel free to leave any questions about style selection. This tape-in hair has clear weight specifications. 14-22 inches is 50 g per pack, and 24-32 inches can be made 60 g per pack. The specifications are standardized, so you can choose according to your own hair volume and needs. As a professional factory, we carry out strict control on every product to ensure stable quality that meets daily and professional styling needs. Please follow us for more detailed displays of each style so you can learn more about our products. Our tape-in hair has diverse styles and complete specifications, suitable for different lengths and hair volume demands. Both new users and professional hairstylists can find suitable options. Welcome to our live stream. If you are interested, you can consult us anytime for more product details. Now that we have introduced our regular tape-in hair, next we will show you another popular product, invisible tape-in hair, and share its unique advantages. Next, we are introducing our invisible tape-in hair. This product is also known as hand-tied tape-in hair or machine-injected tape-in hair. Its most obvious feature is its natural appearance, as if it grows naturally from the scalp. It can be applied flexibly, usually attached on the top layer of the client's hair, and used together with ordinary tape-in hair under the hair. It is one of the widely used traditional hair extension products. Welcome to our live stream. If you are interested, you can consult us in the comment section below. Feel free to leave any questions about application methods. This invisible tape-in hair is well received in the market. It has many names such as injected tape-in hair, hand-tied tape-in hair, invisible tape-in hair, adhesive tape-in hair, all referring to the same product. It has a texture close to natural human hair, made with reliable adhesive. It looks natural, easy to remove, and can be reused after removal, with strong practicality. Please follow us for on-site demonstrations of application and removal, so you can see the details clearly. Whether for daily natural look or professional styling, this invisible tape-in hair can meet different needs and suit various hairstyles for different users. Welcome to our live stream. If you are interested, you can consult us anytime for more product details and application tips. That's all for our practical and natural invisible tape-in hair. Next, we will introduce our next product, feather weft hair, and show you its special features. Dear friends, next we introduce feather weft hair. It is a classic and well-received hair extension product on the market. Like adhesive hair extensions, it is an essential product in hair salons, and I believe many of you have seen or used it before. Nowadays, this product still enjoys high popularity and is loved by salons and customers. Welcome to our live stream. If you are interested, you can consult us in the comments section below. Friends who have used this product are also welcome to share your experience in the comments. This feather weft hair is made with pure handcraft weaving. Each strand is woven by skilled workers by hand. We have a large and professional handcraft team to ensure neat and delicate workmanship and stable quality for every product. We provide a wide range of feather weft styles, including single-line feather hair, double-line feather hair, 6D feather hair, 8D feather hair, and other popular styles, which can meet the diverse needs of different salons and customers. Please follow us for more close-up displays of the hand-woven details so you can clearly see our craftsmanship advantages. As a necessary product for salons, it has good practicality and adaptability. It performs well in daily hair extension and hairstyle design and can create various styles with different hairstyles. Welcome to our live stream. If you are interested, you can consult us anytime to learn about the differences and application scenarios of different styles. That's all for our classic and popular feather weft hair. Next, we will continue to introduce our next product, a type feather hair, and show you its special features. Dear friends, next we will introduce a type feather hair. This feather hair extension also has two common names, small loop feather hair and large loop feather hair. As a source factory, we can customize different sizes and shapes according to customers' preferences to meet your personalized needs. This hair extension is widely used. It can be applied with beads, tied with ropes, or fixed with glue, suitable for many kinds of installation methods. It works well for both salon professional use and daily simple wearing. Welcome to our live stream. If you are interested, you can consult us in the comments section below. If you want to customize sizes or shapes, you can also leave us a message. Compared with traditional U-tip, I-tip and other keratin hair extensions, those styles are relatively stiff and not so comfortable to wear, which may even affect sleep. However, the biggest advantage of our A-type feather hair is that it is more invisible and soft. When worn in the hair, it does not affect customers' daily life and maintains a nice appearance, bringing no restriction during daily activities. Please follow us, and we will show you different application methods of this hair extension live, so you can understand its advantages more clearly. It has good invisibility and is not easy to be noticed after wearing. The soft texture fits well with natural hair. It can match both long hair and short hair easily to create natural and beautiful hairstyles. Welcome to our live stream. If you are interested, you can consult us anytime for more customization details and application tips. That's all for our customizable and comfortable A-type feather hair. Next, we will continue to introduce our next product, C-type feather hair, and share its unique advantages with you. Dear friends, following the last product, we are now introducing C-type feather hair. This feather hair extension also has two common names, double-line feather hair and twin-tip hair. It was quite popular in the Korean market in the early days and was well recognized by local customers and salons. Nowadays, with the development of hair extension technology, various application methods have been developed for it. It can be applied with traditional wire connection and binding methods, and can also be used with silicone beads to meet different hair extension needs and scenes. Welcome to our live stream. If you are interested, you can consult us in the comment section below. Friends who know this popular hair extension from Korea are also welcome to leave comments and interact with us. This C-type feather hair shares the features of easy operation and good invisibility with the A-type feather hair we introduced earlier. Its main advantage is that it has more hair volume than A-type feather hair. It can create full hair volume for customers in one step, improve hair extension efficiency, and save working time. It is also invisible and comfortable to wear, with no foreign body sensation, and will not affect daily activities. Please follow us. We will show you the weight difference between this product and A-type feather hair later, so you can see its advantages clearly. In addition, this hair extension is made by pure hand weaving, without any adhesive in the whole process, so it will not cause irritation to customers' scalps, taking both comfort and safety into account. It is suitable for salons that pursue efficient hair extension and customers who value wearing experience. Welcome to our live stream. If you are interested, you can consult us anytime to learn more about its application methods and detailed advantages. That's all for our efficient, comfortable, and invisible C-type feather hair. Next, we will move on to our next product, H6 Feather Hair, and show you its new highlights. Dear friends, next we present our star new product, H6 Feather Hair Extension. We are the patent factory of this hair extension, so our quality and craftsmanship are fully guaranteed. In addition to H6 Feather Hair, we also have H1, H2, H3, H10, and other series of feather hair extensions. These series are different in design, but serve the same purpose of hair extension and can meet different aesthetic and usage needs. Welcome to our live stream. If you are interested, you can consult us in the comment section below. If you want to know the differences between these series, please leave a message. The biggest highlight of H6 Feather Hair is its high efficiency in application. It takes very little time to finish a full head installation, which greatly saves working time for both salon use and personal application. It also has good reusability. By replacing the nano ring beads, it can be reused quickly, which is very practical and helps reduce usage cost. Please follow us. We will demonstrate the installation and reuse process on camera later so you can clearly see its efficiency and convenience. As our patented product, each H6 feather hair extension is strictly inspected with neat craftsmanship. It is invisible and comfortable to wear, blends well with natural hair, and creates natural and full hairstyles for various looks. Welcome to our live stream. If you are interested, you can consult us anytime for patent details and application methods. That's all for our efficient and reusable H6 feather hair. Next, we will continue with our next product, I-Tip Keratin Hair, and show you its unique advantages. Dear friends, next we are going to introduce I-Tip Keratin Hair. In addition to I-Tip Keratin Hair, we also provide many similar keratin hair extensions, including U-Tip, V-Tip, Flat Tip, M-Tip, X-Tip, Y-Tip, K-Tip, and Nano Ring Hair. We have a complete range of styles that can adapt to different installation needs and methods. Whether for professional salon use or personal preference, you can find suitable options here. Welcome to our live stream. If you are interested, you can consult us in the comment section below. If you want to know the differences between various styles, please leave a comment. We maintain strict quality control for our I-Tip Keratin Hair. We use high-quality Remy human hair with intact and neatly arranged cuticles. The hair is collected from healthy donors, and each bundle comes from a single donor, which ensures good texture and consistency from the source. It blends naturally with your own hair without an unnatural look. Please follow us. We will show you close-up details of the hair later, so you can clearly see the cuticle condition and hair texture. This hair extension has good durability. With proper daily care, it can be used for a long time. It also has stable performance in shedding and tangling, making daily care easy and effortless. It can keep soft and smooth texture, which is suitable for daily wear and hairstyle design. Welcome to our live stream. If you are interested, you can consult us anytime for care methods and product details. Feel free to leave any questions and we will answer them one by one. As a classic keratin hair extension with reliable quality, it has good practicality and adaptability. It is easy to use for both beginners and professional hairstylists, and can meet the aesthetic needs of different users.